guys. Okay, so today is, I think it's the 30th of January today. So everything was a shit show yesterday. Well, actually this week, this entire week it has been. So let me tell y'all what has happened. So you see that my 3-day trip in the previous clips was absolutely nothing. I heard they're giving out hot chocolate in the terminal, and I want me some hot chocolate. I could go to Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, I could go there and get me some hot chocolate. But my terminal, I'm supposed to be in the G gates. I'm in the E gates right now. I got some time to kill. Got like 20 minutes. But anyway, so as you can see, it was, you know, not too great. My 3-day, because, well, it was great for me, but for other people traveling, it wasn't, since all the flights got canceled. So, oh my gosh, do y'all see? Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all can't even see the screen, but that screen said all canceled, like everything was canceled. Anyways, so got back from my trip last night or whatever, and was freezing yesterday. I think it was like supposed to be, in the chill was supposed to be like negative 60 something degrees, I think, or 53 degrees or something like that. But I think he said it was actually -1. I don't know, but it was freezing last night. Oh my God. Everything just says canceled, 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 canceled. This airport is quiet. Everything is canceled. McDonald's is now closed. Wow. I wonder if Dunkin' Donuts is still open though. It looks like a lot of the restaurants and stuff are like closed. The bookstore is open though. Yeah, Chili's is closed. Dunkin' Donuts actually kind of looks like it's open. Oh yeah, they're open. Ooh, get a hot chocolate. Do y'all see this? Even they're closed. Hello. Okay. This is literally like the only place here that's open. Well, at least in this terminal. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm back. So I'm on the plane. So we should be boarding about like 3 minutes. So, okay, so the weather is so bad here. It's in the negatives, everything. So today I think it's like -14 right now. That's what the screen said inside of the airport. So like just about everything is canceled. It's very, very few flights going out. So we even got like an email last night saying that if you needed to call out of your trip, it would be excused and would be counted against you. So I had one trip already pre-assigned, and then today when I got up, they had completely given me another schedule. So with this trip, we're going from here to Meridian, Mississippi, and then Meridian to Hattiesburg. And then we're staying the night in Hattiesburg, and then tomorrow we don't do anything. We're just gonna stay in Hattiesburg all day. And then the following day, we go, I think from Hattiesburg, I think back to Meridian, then Meridian to like Dallas, something like that. I know we end in Dallas, and then we're supposed to do a deadhead from Dallas to Chicago. So yeah, that's right now, that's the plan. But I really need to go home and get some food, so I think I'm gonna go home since we get off like so early on Friday. I think I'll get off. I think I'll just cancel my deadhead and go straight home from Dallas. Just catch a flight. They have plenty of flights in and out of Memphis to Dallas. So that was the pilots. So yeah, this literally, y'all, I have 3 people on this flight. Like, the airport is so empty. It's so quiet. I've never seen it like this a day in my life. So I'm actually shocked. I had heard rumors that the airport was going to get completely shut down because it's so cold outside that we need the groundkeepers and stuff to, like, you know, we need them in order to go anywhere. So, you know, and if it's too cold for them to work, then that means we can't go anywhere. So I just want to thank all the ground people that do anything at the airport. Thank you so much. Even the people that were like open, any of like Dunkin' Donuts, they were open, and I think Starbucks was open too. But other than that, I think everybody else was pretty much closed. But thank you, at least when I got here, and I got here like 5. So thank you guys so much for being open. I know it's like crazy, it's cold, and the weather is just not ideal. So thank you all. So right now our flight is not delayed or anything. Everything looks good. So it looks like we're gonna get out of here on time and get on to Mississippi. I think it's like 30 or 40 degrees, something down there. All right, we just made it to Hattiesburg. Finally made it in. So this is the sink area. Have the bathroom, and then where's the light for the? Okay. Oh my God, it's loud shower bathroom. All right, so this is the bathroom. It's not bad. Oh, and then this right here is like the closet area, and then we have 4 rooms. So it is officially 9 o'clock here in Hattiesburg. So yeah, and then my view is like nothing. All right, guys, so this is a really easy trip. So tomorrow we do absolutely nothing. I am about to meet up with a friend of mine, so I'll bring you guys along when we go out or whatever. But tomorrow I don't know what I'm doing. We'll see. So yeah, so we don't report until Friday at 4:50 a.m. and then I'm off at like 8:45 a.m. Yeah, and then my deadhead is flight later on, but like I said, I already told y'all what I'm gonna do with that. So yeah, guys, yeah, that's the room, and I'll see you when I go out. My way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Good morning. So it's 4:45 in the morning, Friday, February 1st. So I'm downstairs 5 minutes early, so I'm just gonna sit down, get some hot chocolate, and then get ready for these 2 legs for today. So we're going from here to Meridian, which is like a 14-minute flight like last time, and then we're going from good morning, how are you? Good, how are you?
You want your money?
Huh?
You want the money?
Yeah, I do. Thank you. So we're going from here to Meridian. Where's the hot water? Yeah, we're going from here to Meridian, and then Meridian to Dallas, Texas. And then we're done there, technically, but they have us a deadhead scheduled, but you guys already know the deal with that. But like, you don't never cancel your deadhead until you are like checked and everything on the flight you're trying to non-rev on, because you don't want to cancel your deadhead and then you can't even get on the flight you were trying to list for, you know, because once you cancel your deadhead, it's over. Good morning. Good, how are you? Can I get some hot water somewhere? guys, so we just finished our 2 legs for today. So I'm in Dallas, about to catch my deadhead because the flight from Dallas to Memphis was canceled. And there's another flight leaving out at 12:50, but of course they rolled all of those people over from this flight that was supposed to leave at 10:30, rolled them over to that flight, so now it's oversold. So I have to go ahead and catch my deadhead to Chicago and then catch a flight from Chicago to Memphis. It's crazy. So see, this is exactly why you do not cancel your deadhead until you have been checked and cleared for whatever flight you're trying to get on. So yeah, so right now I'm just headed to the gate for my United flight. Thank God it's in the same terminal because we were delayed this morning due to some weight and balance issues and stuff like that. So we got in later than we wanted to. Well, we were supposed to. So yeah, I don't really have time to make it to like some of the other gates because I know my gate was in the B gate and we landed in the E gates. So yeah, luckily I still had a little bit of time to get to that flight though. Yeah, so I had a little bit more time than this flight. Oh, it says they're boarding now. So they're boarding a little early. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm so sleepy. I couldn't sleep for nothing last night. I think because I slept too late, so. But anyway, so yeah. I'm about to go ahead and go, and I will just see you guys in Memphis.
Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving far.